Eid Shopping English.
Learn through conversation.
Hey man, Eid is just a day away. Have you done all your shopping?
Not yet, bro. I still have a few things left to buy. How about you?
I'm almost done. Just need to grab a couple of traditional outfits.
Lucky you, I'm still hunting for the perfect Punjabi.
Have you checked out that new store in Gulshan? They have some pretty cool designs.
No, I haven't. Is it expensive though?
Nah. Prices are reasonable. We should go together later today.
Sounds like a plan. I also need to pick up some gifts for my family.
Same here. I'm thinking of getting my mom a nice sari.
That's thoughtful. I'm getting my dad a new watch.
Classic chose. Eid wouldn't be complete without those gifts.
True. By the way, have you bought your shoes yet?
Yeah. Got a pair last week, but I might grab another one today.
I need to get mine too. Let's see if we can find a good deal together.
Definitely. We'll make it quick. Don't want to be stuck in last-minute crowds.
Agreed. Let's meet up at the store around 4.
Perfect. See you then, buddy.
Alright, take care till then. Eid Mubarak in advance.
Eid Mubarak. Bro, can't wait to celebrate with friends and family.